Zcash is expected to drop 6.7% tomorrow, as shown by 30 rates. First, let's get a sense of how things are moving today. Zcash has seen a 1.1% dip over the last day and is now trading near $383.68. Let's check today's expert outlooks. Based on 30 rates' data, the price could slide to $358 by June 30, a drop of approximately 6.7%. Zcash could trend downward to $379.43 according to CoinCodex, about 1.1% down. Gov Capital Collector points out it might climb toward $397.53, roughly 3.6% higher than now. Another analysis from CoinDataFlow highlights Zcash could move upward toward $400.68, roughly 4.4% higher. And to wrap up Crypto Predictions, predicts $412.31 by tomorrow, which is 7.5% higher than now. This is the strongest return potential we've seen. That's 5 forecasts done. Let's see what's next. Let's break down each prediction into potential outcomes. Taking all 5 forecasts into account, we could see the price move anywhere between a decline of 6.7% and a gain of 7.5%, depending on the analyst. This means Crypto Predictions comes in with the top forecast with 7.5% gain in value by tomorrow. It's clear you might secure between $11 and $75 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability data, CoinCodex's forecast is the most dependable, with a 98.5% chance of success. After reviewing all 5 forecasts, I've mapped out a consensus path. The combined outlook positions Zcash around $389.59. Alright, let's dig in. The consensus perspective shows the price advancing by 1.5%. On those same terms, your capital could potentially move higher by 1.5%. A 1,000 example position could imply a possible $15 return. The consensus scenario carries a likelihood of approximately 98.2% of coming true. To wrap up this stage, let's check the 3-day outlooks from analysts. A bearish forecast is made by 30 rates expecting losses. CoinCodex sees the chart tilted toward growth. Gov Capital Collector highlights stability, pointing out that Zcash is unlikely to shift significantly. CoinDataFlow projects the price advancing over the 3 days. The short-term picture, additionally noted by Crypto Predictions, shows the price pushing higher. The consensus picture indicates Zcash will hover within a tight band around current levels. In conclusion, the majority of forecasts support a rising scenario, pointing towards Zcash advancing further. 5 forecasts were posted 2 days ago. Now we can compare them with what happened yesterday. In the end, the final close was $376.27. As it turned out, a single analyst got the move right. In terms of accuracy, the winner was TraderSunion. Let's piece it together. Just one prediction landed inside the actual range. In terms of ROI, TraderSunion was the only one who stayed above zero with 4.5%. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. TraderSunion reported accuracy, while forecast probability was 95.4% and ROI 4.5%. Look at the numbers and decide who performed best. Let's shift to the comparison of tomorrow's projected gains calculated from consensus data. Zcash falls behind with Dogecoin leading the table at 3.6%. For now, you can see Zcash next to just 4 cryptocurrencies, but a much larger set is already featured on my website. You made it all the way through. Thank you for watching. If this was useful, leave a like. It means a lot. Talk to you soon.